Start. Heard learned counsel for the petitioner and learned counsel for the respondent state of Punjab, who has appeared on advance notice para. Having considered the matter in its entirety and going through the material on record, we are not persuaded to grant bail to the petitioner, for the present para. Accordingly, the special leave petition stands dismissed para. However, as has been pointed out by the learned counsel for the petitioner, that for over 2 years and 4 months, the petitioner is behind bars and the trial has not begun, in the sense that only charges have been framed and out of 31 prosecution witnesses, only 3 have been examined, despite the fact that charges were framed on 10/10/2024. This court has regularly been coming across cases where, on the one hand, the state vehemently opposes the prayer for bail to the accused, but on the other hand, is absolutely not bothered to proceed with the trial. The court cannot shut its eyes to the double standards of the state. Para. Thus, we find it is a fit case to pass strict orders. Para. Accordingly, personal cost is imposed on the senior superintendent of police, district Amritsar of rupees 50,000 rupees 50,000 to be deposited in the Advocates Welfare Fund of the Local Bar Association of Amritsar District. The same be done within 2 weeks. Para. Further, it is directed that the prosecution /state shall ensure that at least 4 witnesses are examined per month in the case and the trial is taken to its conclusion. The trial court is also directed to ensure compliance of the present order. Para. Registry is directed to communicate the order to the trial court forthwith. Para. We further indicate that in future, if we come across such cases anywhere in India, similar stringent orders shall be passed against the persons responsible, more so, the prosecution. Para. After the order was passed, learned counsel for the state of Punjab prayed for one opportunity to explain the reason for the trial to proceed in such a slow manner. Though the court was not satisfied, but still, by way of indulgence, for consideration on the issue of whether the order passed against the senior superintendent of police, Amritsar is required to be reconsidered, post the matter on 24/7/2026 on top of the list. Till then, the order at paragraph 6 above imposing cost is kept in abeyance.